Up to now, we are telling you roughly some concepts only, that is demo classes. You don't know those all the things, don't worry. Okay. Today onwards, our classes we are starting. Without any knowledge of the any computer technology also, any software also, you are understandable. These are all the things. Okay, just follow me. So much of subject I am giving only one by one by one by one. You are understandable. Okay. Now today onwards, concentrate, easily understandable installation, all the things I will tell. Oracle in our course 19C software we are dealing only. Okay, now check it out. Concentrate here. First, before we are going to start this one, what I am telling in a previous classes, anybody having idea? Oracle is a database software from Oracle Corporation. But what type of database software this one? Relational database software. Relational database software means always data is stored in the format of tables. A structured collection of data it will be storing. If you want to operate data in these databases, then we are using some languages. SQL is a language, PLSQL is a language, Dynamic SQL is a language. That small theory, write it, then we are starting, because maybe any newcomers are joining. Yes, write it some theory. Notes also I'm giving each and every day. Write it. Oracle is a relational. Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data. Permanently in secondary storage devices. In secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk. Yeah. Write it next para. Already on it. If you want to operate Oracle database, then we are using following languages. These are already we are discussing. These are okay. Yes, these are first one SQL. What is SQL means? Structured query language. Don't worry. Second one PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Third one Dynamic SQL. Up to this theory, write it first. One of these chapters is there in our classes, history of the databases. In that one, what is data, what is information, what type of data store mechanisms are there in organizations. Nowadays, databases in olden days, flat files, what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, what is now here relational data model. These are all the things I will tell you, but easy understandable purpose. First, directly we are starting like this. Okay, yeah. Now completed this one. Finished. Now concentrate. Up to this one, you have an idea. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Very, very important. Suppose, okay, SQL is a language, is okay. We are operating through that language only daily. We are operating a Oracle database. But in a screen only, some other thing is there. What is this one? SQL plus is there. What is this one? Anybody have an idea? What is this SQL plus? Very good. SQL plus is a tool. Whenever we are installing a Oracle database, automatically one tool is created. This tool is also called as client tool or query tool. Through this tool only, we are connected to the Oracle database. What is this one? How you are understandable these concepts? Any other tools are there? What is this one means? Easily you are understandable. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Actually, suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. How can I install also one of the class side? I will tell you, don't worry. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, this is a Oracle software I'm installing, then automatically some place is created in a disk only. Okay, fine. This is called a database. Okay, fine. In this database only, you are also storing a what a data. Suppose I am a user. Otherwise, I am a developer. You are also, otherwise, any user also wants to perform some operations on the where in this database. Suppose you want to store some data, you want to modify some data, you want to fetch some data like this. If any user wants to perform some operations on the where this Oracle database, how can I means? Actually, this user uses not a single step. Always this user uses a two-step process. How many step process? Two-step process only. What is the first step means? What is the step one? This user first connect to the database. This user first connect to the database. What is that connection? Today we are learning. After connection, we are installing a Oracle software also. Enterprise edition, Express edition, we are learning. Okay, don't worry. Now here, first one is, step one is what? Connect. What is the step two? After connecting, then we are okay, so now we are communicate with the database. Communicate with the database. How this user connect to the where this database means this is a server. How this user connect to the database means, yes, today we are learning practically only one example is there. What is that one? Some tools are there. SQL Plus is a tool. Through this tool, we are connecting. How easy diagram Oracle Corporation giving, I will tell you through that one tools, explicit tools, this default tools, all the things today you are understandable. Again, communication. Once we are connect to the where database, then we are communicate with the database by using some languages. Which language? SQL, PLSQL languages are there or not? Yes, through that languages, we are communicate with the database. Step by step, you are learning through the diagrams, easily understandable. Okay. First, before we are going to start that one, theory write it. Write it. If any user, I will tell you how can I install Oracle software. Tool we are not allowed to install. Automatically, the tool is created. I will tell you all the things. Okay, don't worry. If any user, first theory write it. If any user wants to perform some operations are there, practically we are learning. Some operations on Oracle database. On Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. Following two-step process. These are, write it. These are first one, step one, write it. Connect. Step one is called connect. Now, example, write it. Up to now, you don't have an idea, no? Yes, that's my first example. Write it. One tool, SQL Plus tool. What is this tool? Where it will be there? How can I open those? All the things you are learning. Step one, connect. Example, write it one tool, SQL plus tool. Step 2. Once we are connecting to the database, then communication. Write it. Step 2, communication. Communication. Once we are connecting using a tool, how can I communicate? By using SQL language. Example, write it. SQL, comma, PLSQL languages. Some languages are there. Don't language. SQL, comma, PLSQL languages. Okay. Today we are starting our step 1. After step 1, some knowledge you are getting. Then we are installing our Oracle software. How can install? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here. First step 1. Step 1, write it. Connect. Connect. Now slowly observe it here. What Oracle telling me is dead easy. That's why diagrammatically first time newcomer easily understandable. Up to this one, all are writing? Yes. Now how much easy observe it here? Suppose. Now concentrate. Simple. Oracle Corporation telling you what like this only, very easy. And now here, how you are understandable connect means observe it here. Suppose we are installing, observe it here. We are installing Oracle software in a feature. Okay. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, that is a relational database software, automatically some place is created in a hard disk. Slowly observe it here. This is a disk only. This is called a database. Here only we are storing a data daily practically. But unfortunately here, so many collection of database objects are there. Tables we are learning, views, sequences, synonyms, clusters, indexes, procedures, functions, triggers. So many database objects are there. Don't worry. Okay, fine. What is this one we are learning? Now, I am a user. Slowly observe here. I am a developer. You are a developer, for example. Now, you want to perform some operations. Observe here. This is a user wants to perform some operation. Otherwise, this user wants to communicate with this database. If this user wants to communicate this database by using a what? Which language? Which language? Anybody having idea? Anybody having idea? Very good. Yes. What is the language? SQL is a language. Everyone telling like that. But unfortunately, yes, here impossible. What is this one? SQL language is correct. This database is okay. So many database objects are there, but unfortunately, any users also directly not allowed to connect to this server, this database. Impossible. Now here, first users are, I am also, you are also, anybody username, password, something is there. Users are connect with the what? Some tools. Client tools are there. Okay, fine. Client tools. Those tools you are installing, otherwise automatically there, I will tell you. First users are connect with the what? Tools. These are called client tools or query tools. Then only through these tools, the users are connect to the where? Database. Then only once they are connecting, then only they are using a what? SQL language or PLSQL language through they are operating a what? This database. That's why first users are connect to the where? Database by using a tools. That is important. That is called client tools. Database is a server. How you are understandable means practically one by one we are telling. Today also time is there. I am showing all the things. Now check it out. Concentrate here. A beautiful diagram Oracle Corporation giving. How means easily understandable. Don't write it. Yes, through this diagram, nobody mistaken. Everyone understandable. How much easy diagram? Observe here. Concentrate here. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. Don't write it here. Observe it here. Very interesting. I'm installing a Oracle software. Automatically, some place is created in a disk only. That is called a database. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. In a feature, you are working here. Now, this database is nothing but a what? A collection of database objects are there. Tables, views, Synonyms, don't write it here. Indexes, clusters, packages, procedures, functions, triggers, so many database objects. These are called collection of database objects are there. But suppose you don't have an idea anything, some tables, for example. These are collection of, observe here, collection of database objects. Database objects. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here, database objects. Now, if any user, any developer wants to communicate with this database, how can I means first that user, any user is there. Okay, fine, any employee is there. First, this user connect to the where client tools or query tools. What is this client tool? Today we are learning. Don't worry. That user is first connect to the where client tool or query tools. Here these are called clients. Okay, or query tools. Some fellows are call it as a query tools. Now, once this user is connect to the where query tools, then only through this query tools, those users are communicate with the database by using a what SQL is a long ways. Don't write it, just observe it here. SQL is a long ways. Now here SQL is a long ways. That long ways is also called as which one? Structured query long ways. Okay, query long ways. Now check it out. Concentrate here. But how you are understandable these query tools first? Some fellows are telling SQL plus tool. Some fellows are telling about a SQL developer is a tool. SQL developer is a tool. Something in names are there. Toad is a tool. What is this one? Confusing only. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Whenever I'm installing, you are installing a Oracle software. One tool is query tool is automatically created. You are not required to create the tool. Automatically one query tool is created. What is that query tool means? Example, slowly observe it here. Through this example, easily understandable. One default tool is created. What is the tool? SQL plus tool. Observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one tool is created. I will show you the tool. That is a what? SQL plus is a tool. That's why SQL plus tool is also called as default tool. This tool you are not required to load. Okay. This is called what? A default tool. I will show you practically. Don't worry. Default tool. This is a what? A command line interface. Now this tool you are not required to load. Whenever, observe here, again I'm repeating, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one default tool is created in your system. That default tool is a what? SQL plus tool, one of the tool, query tool, SQL plus tool. That is command line interface. Through this tool, this is a default tool. You are not required to load this tool explicitly. Okay, now through this tool, daily we are connected to the very database. How can I miss? I will tell you. But unfortunately, yes, suppose you are an experienced person, you are not interested to use this default tool. In a project side, suppose here, project side, whenever we are debugging procedures, functions, triggers, packages, so many concepts are there. Don't worry, in a PL/SQL. In that case, compared to where SQL plus tool, some better tools are there. That is called GUI tools. Those are called Toad is a tool. Maybe in a nowadays, according to my experience, SQL developer is a tool regularly they are using. Those tools are not a default tools. In a company side, yes, company is purchasing a what? Suppose Toad is a tool they want me is just that GUI tool. They are purchasing from the Quest software. Now then they are loading a what? That tools. But your experienced person is you are working in a where those tools also. Now those are called GUI tools. That is not a default tools. Oracle Corporation not giving a what? Oracle installation side, those tools only. Now what are the explicit tools are there? Just names, idea, purpose. Otherwise pirated softwares are there. You are installing possible. Those tools you are required means yes, you have to install. That easy. And now here, yes, later these tools also you are familiar. What is the tool? Toad is a tool is there. That tool Oracle Corporation not giving. Now this is a GUI tool. This explicitly you are interested to load means load it, not a problem. Now here, yes, here another tool is there. SQL developer is a tool. SQL developer is a tool. This is a regularly used tool in a company side. Now another tool is there. So many tools are there. These are explicit tools. Yes, another one is SQL Navigator. Navigator is at one of the tool. These Toad, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator, these type of tools are explicit tools. That is GUI tools. Here, these are called GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. Now GUI tools only, graphical user interface tools. But unfortunately, you are installing a Oracle software, only one tool is available. What is the tool? SQL plus tool. Any learners or experienced persons who are working in a very database administration concept side also, SQL plus tool through only they are learning, they are working. But whenever anybody debugging some PLSQL, some concept only, in that case, GUI tools they are using only. But we are learners, we want to learn a very easy way, means SQL plus tool through we are learning. Why? Because suppose I am telling you what in a where this Oracle concepts through SQL developer is a tool, means what is the problem? Suppose procedure I am telling means half of the code is already there. Then logic only I am telling me, so you are a learner, you are not concentrating on the syntax of the procedure. Whenever you are attending a what interview, you are failure. That is a problem. That's why in this tool only, now SQL plus this tool only, all the things we are typing, every command we are typing only. That's why SQL plus tool through we are learning. That's why now here what is connect? What is connect in Oracle? Before we are performing any operations in a where, so Oracle database, then that user first connect to the where? Connect to the where? Yes, connect to the where? Connect to the database by using a what? Client tool. Whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically default tool is created. What is the default tool? SQL plus is a default tool. Yes, you want to load a what another tools, means you have to load it. Those are Toad, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator. These are explicit tools. Okay, they are not providing, but you are loading only. Now here, how can I navigate that SQL plus tool? Those things only once we are installing. Where the tool is there, I will tell you. Here Oracle I'm installing, here SQL plus tool there or not? Yes, this is a default tool only. How can I open? What is that one? I will tell you. First write it. First write it. Now write it. Through this one easily understandable. Write it fast. Write it some theory, connect. In Oracle side. In Oracle, before any user, performing any operations, then those users first connect to database by using client tool. Some theory write it. Next paragraph. Whenever we are installing, whenever we are installing, how can you install? Means one of the class I will tell you, don't worry. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus, SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. Or maybe who are working with these are all the things well-known person, but unfortunately in a non-technical persons also learning. No, that's why first time slowly. Okay, not a problem. Maybe newcomers also there. No, and okay, finished. Just idea purpose. Okay, na completed this one. All are writing. Okay, na. Now, how can I open this SQL plus tool? I am telling only before that one. Now here, just fastly draw this one because Oracle Corporation giving a what a simple diagram. No, yes, here draw this diagram fastly. Now this is a Oracle database is there. Then I am telling how can I open that SQL plus tool and all these things. At least names awareness purpose. Oracle database. Here some database objects are there. Relational data model products means collection of database objects are there. This is very easy. In a books we are referring also these type of things are there. These are collection of database objects. Collection of database objects. Suppose users are there. Some tools names awareness purpose. Okay, this one there to be user. Now these users are connect to query tools. Query tools or client tools. Don't worry. Once query tools they are connecting. Query tool through that username, password, something is there. Through that one, users are communicate with the database. How can I miss? I will tell you today. Don't worry. SQL is a long way. Here, structured query long ways. Fastly draw this one. Query long ways. Now, this query tools example purpose, I am drawing this diagram because newcomers. Idea purpose example of these query tools. First one is SQL plus tool. This is a default tool. You are not required to install. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically this tool is created. Now another tools, they are providing only explicit tools, GUI tools. That one graphical user interface. That is a Toad tool. SQL developer is regularly using. You are interested to install means install it, not a problem. But first time no SQL plus tool and SQL Navigator. Just these tools names awareness purpose only. Draw this diagram fastly. Maybe first time non-technical person. Anybody experienced persons means not required these all the otherwise take a snap through mobile GUI graphical user interface tools. These are collection of database objects. Objects means some tables, procedures, views, something is there. Write it, draw this one. Draw this diagram. Otherwise, take a snap through the mobile. Complete it up fast. Hello. Completed this one. Take a snap. Okay, now we are starting one by one. This SQL plus tool we are starting. Through that one, how can I, what is that one, installation, enterprisations, what is this one? Okay, so many things are there. Completed up? Yes, very good. Now here, check it out. Now here, concentrate here. Now, slowly observe here. And now check it out, concentrate here. Actually, next to what we are telling, don't write it, just observe it here. Suppose how can I install means I will tell you one of these days, because some enterprise edition, some expression, some knowledge is required. That's why up to now I'm not telling. Suppose in my system, I am loading a what? Oracle software. Okay, fine. You are also loading only next. Don't worry, don't write it. Okay, just observe here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one tool is created. Observe it here. Slowly, don't write it, navigation, don't write it. Here, Oracle 19C, I'm installing. Okay, fine. Whenever Oracle 19C, I'm installing, and now here automatically, observe it here, then click this one means so many things it is displayed in a bottom only. Here SQL plus tool is there. Observe here, I am not installing SQL plus tool. Automatically this tool is there. Okay, now here in this tool in a desktop only I'm creating a shortcut. Here SQL plus tool is there. Okay, fine. Here some usernames, don't write it. Usernames and passwords are there. Which username, which password, next we are telling, don't worry. And now here, through this tool, we are connected to the where? Connected to, yes, here, this database. Internally database is there, we are connected. Now here only we are operating a what? Yes, here SQL long ways through. Here, this is a long ways, some commands are there. Daily we are using only. Through these commands through we are operating or not? Yes, very easy. That's why first we are connected to the where? Oracle database by using a what tool? This default tool I will tell you, SQL plus tool, one by one, additions, all the things I will tell you. But before we are going to start, yes, observe it here, slowly observe it here. Before we are going to start these concepts, now at least one scenario I am taking today. What happened, what is going on, or maybe easily you are in a future operations purpose, easily understandable. Maybe shall we continue maybe 15 or 20 minutes possible? Not a problem today. Hello. Shall we continue 15 or 20 minutes remaining? Hello. Not a problem. Yeah. So now, okay. Yes, that is a generalized scenario. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Don't write it. Okay. Because some fellows are tool, server, these understandable purpose. I am choosing this example. Don't write it. Okay. But some commands you don't have an idea. Also, scenario observe it here. Concentrate. Actually. Now, example. Don't write it. Up to end of the class today, don't write it. Okay. Just observe it. Interesting. Very interesting. And every software engineer, database engineer must familiar today this concept. Now check it out. Through the Oracle, I will tell you. Actually, in a way, whenever we are learning in a future SQL long ways, in that long ways, we are using regularly, don't write it. We are regularly we are using commit is a command. Slowly observe here. Very important. What is this commit means? Save. Don't write it. Just observe here. SQL long ways we are learning in a future. Then so many times we are using a what? A commit is a command in any database in the worldwide. That is called a save. But unfortunately, so many fellows doesn't know what is commit, what is going on. Today we are learning that one. Why? Because before we are going to start those okay, our languages, tools, and all these things, this knowledge you have an idea, you never confusing anywhere. Commit means save. Again, another concept is there. Don't write it, don't write it. Just observe it here. What happened? Here, yes, same like a Windows only, in a word only, Control Z we are pressing means undo operations, it will be coming or not. Same like in a databases, in SQL languages side, in every database, roll back is a command is there. This is nothing but a what? Undo the transaction. Same like a Control Z in a word only. Undo. These two transactions, so you must familiar, observe, must mandatory. Commit means save, roll back means undo the transaction. What happening, what is going on means concentrate, concentrate. Up to end of the class today, concentrate, very interesting. All the things you are understandable today. Now check it out. Don't read it, don't read it. Just an example through tools and what is going on, you are understandable. Practically also I'm showing. Suppose whenever we are installing a what, observe it here, slowly observe it here. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, SQL Server software, DB2 software, MySQL software, Teradata software, what happened means automatically two parts are created, not a single part. Slowly observe it here. Whenever we are installing a what, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these are called servers actually. These servers we are loading means automatically two parts are created. Slowly observe it here, two parts are created. This bottom part, some files are created only. This is called hard disk. In a disk only, in a C colon, D colon, some files are created. Observe it here. This is the original database. Don't write it. Observe it here, hard disk. In a hard disk, hard disk only, some files are created. Here, some commands are executed in a memory area. This is called instance or RAM memory area. Whenever we are installing a what, Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, any database software also, what happened? Two parts are created. Some files are created in a hard disk and some statements are executed in a where? Instance only. That is called RAM memory area. Okay, fine. We are a first time programmer. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. And now concentrate here. This is a server. Now, whenever we are creating a tables, those tables are available in a where? Hard disk. Suppose here, now slowly observe it here. What happened? In a Oracle software means in a hard disk only, some files are there, data files, control files, read log files, so many files are there. For example, these are .dbf files originally. Don't write it, just observe it here. .dbf files are there, practically I'm showing. In this one only your tables are there. For example, today I am creating a one table. Don't write it here. Test is a table. Already this table is there in a hard disk. Hard disk only this table is there. Slowly observe it here. Table format only we are storing a data. Now here this is a test is a table. I will show you practically. Here S number is a column. Here only okay some data is there. We are imagination 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this table is stored in a where? In a hard disk. Hard disk only tables are available. In a memory, here buffers are there. So many buffers are there. Database buffer cache, shared pool, large pool. So many things are there. First, you are a first time newcomer. This is a buffer. What happened means observe it here. Yes, here buffer like this. Okay, fine. Buffer. Now check it out. This is a server. Okay, fine. This is a RAM memory area in a hard disk. Now, daily we are connecting yes, this server by using a client tool. For example, SQL Plus tool is there. Observe it here. In the left-hand side, SQL Plus tool is there. Slowly observe it here. SQL Plus tool. Now, through this tool only, daily we are connected to the where database. Here, observe it here. Very interesting. Something is there. I will show you. And now this is SQL Plus tool is there. Daily we are connecting this tool by using security purpose, username, password. So many things are there. Don't worry. These are the things we are learning in a future. Now SQL Plus tool. Okay, fine. Suppose, for example, slowly observe it here. I am a first time newcomer. I am typing a what? Okay, some username and password. Okay, some username is there, passport and tiger, system manager. So many things are there. Don't worry. Now, through this username and password, okay button I am pressing. Okay, fine. This client tool is connected to the where this database. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here I am also performing operations here in SQL Plus tool side. Okay, fine. These operations are executed in a where? In this server, in a Oracle database like this. Here, for example, in a future, yes, suppose here this table I want means just in a very SQL prompt only. We are using a what SQL language. Suppose, for example, I am typing a what a select. Don't write it. Okay, so now select a star from table name. In a future, this is a what a select statement is there, retrieving a data from the database. Don't worry. Okay, these are SQL language through we are learning. Don't worry. Suppose I am select a star from test is a table. I am typing like this. Okay. For example, some select statement I'm typing in a where in SQL plus tool. I'm showing practically. Don't worry. Now, whenever we are typing like this, you are also thinking this SQL plus tool directly control goes to where hard disk this table only. Directly this table is retrieved into where this SQL plus tool we are thinking that is the wrong side. That is the wrong one. That those type of executions are not there. Suppose you are a C programmer means you are a Java programmer means whenever you are writing the what programs, those programs are executed in a RAM memory area or hard disk execution. Very good, RAM memory area. Same like here we are typing a what in a commands also. Those commands are executed in a where RAM memory area. Very important. Yes, here. Now select a star from table name means this query requesting a table. Now, whenever we are typing a what select star from table name in a feature, now just observe here this client tool first checks a what requested table is available in a where RAM memory area or not, it will be checking in a buffer. In this buffer only it will be checking. This requested table select star from table test the table is available in a where RAM memory area, it will be checking. Now, really, in a database buffer case, okay, at least buffer in this buffer, this table is available or not available? Very good, not available. Whenever this table is not available, here some process are there, don't worry. And now here, yes, then control goes to where? Goes to where? In a hard disk only. In a hard disk, in this data files, this table is available or not, it will be checking. Yes, this table is available in a hard disk or not? Yes, here available. Whenever this table is available, then a copy of the table is transferred from this hard disk data files into where? In a buffer. Observe here, copy of the table is transferred. Observe here. This is the original concept only. And now here is the big concept, but unfortunately, roughly I'm telling you. Now check it out. This is a copy of the table is transferred from this hard disk into where buffer. Observe here, copy of the table. Copy of the table, not a original table. Copy of the table is transferred from, yes, this hard disk into where? Hard disk into where? In a buffer. Slowly observe here. In this buffer only, and now here this is a table is available. Here only key concept is there. Don't write it. And now this is a table is there, test is a table, here some data, okay, fine, something is there. And now this table, then only this table is transferred from this buffer into where? Buffer into where? This client tool. This much of execution is there. And now in a Oracle side, observe here. Now check it out. This is a test is a table is there. And now here slowly observe here. This is a test is a table. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Some data is there. Okay, don't worry. And now some column, some data is there. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Now, for example, this data is there. For example, now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Now, I want to change this one is a data is there. This one data into where 5 only, for example. Yes, here I want to change this one into where 5, for example. In a future, you are also changing. Whenever we are changing what this data 1 into 5 in my project side, now here we are using a what SQL language we are using. Update is a command we are using. Don't write it. Yes, these are all the things you don't have an idea. Scenario, what happened, observe it here. Suppose you know experienced person is there in our class, they are well-known persons. Update, these SQL language commands are there. Update, what is the table name is there? Test only. Here, set S number is equal to 5. And now here where S number is equal to 1. These are some commands are there. Don't worry. Whenever this update statement we are typing means, then what happened? This 1 is changed into where 5. But internally, what happened? Observe it here. Actually, this update statement is executed in a RAM memory area. Very good, in a buffer. But here, what is the new value? What is the new value? Very good, 5. What is the new value? 5. What is the old value in this case? 1. Very good. There's a new value for the transaction is stored in a where in this buffer only some place. Observe it here, screen observe it. Here, new value for the transaction is stored in a where here somewhere in a buffer. Here 5 is stored in a where in this buffer only. Okay, fine. New value for the transaction. This is, yes, this is called dirty reader, otherwise a new value. You are a first time programmer means this is a new value, for example. Again, old value for the transaction is stored in a where somewhere. Suppose here, now here old value, what is the old value? Here one only. This is called undo area. Otherwise, old value like this. Old value is storing in a where some place only in a buffer. Slowly observe here, old value. Now, after DML here, something is there in SQL language side. You are learning only one of the stage. Just after this update, suppose you are using a what? A commit. Okay, fine. Commit means a save. Now you are observed here. Whenever, okay, some scenario observed here. Whenever we are using a what? A commit is a command. Observed here, commit. Whenever we are using a what? Commit, what happened? What happened means save. Save means what happened here, here. What is the new value? What is the new value? Very good. 5. This new value, this new value, this new value. Observe here. This new value automatically, permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk only. That is called a commit. How much easy diagrammatically? Oh, maybe commit means this new value for the transaction, not a old value. This 5 is permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? In a hard disk. Oh, maybe commit means the data is coming from, yes, your memory into where? In a hard disk or not? That's why whenever we are using a commit means save this new value, 5 is transferred into where? Permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk only. Okay, na? Yes, so many times I'm repeating. First time you come on. Yes, but I don't want to use a what? Commit. I don't want to save. Again, this 5 is changed into where? 1. Yes, I don't want to save this transaction. Yes, I don't want to store this 5 into where? Permanently into where? Hard disk. Now, in this example, I want to change this 5 into where? 1 only. Again, I want to undo the transaction. Then in place of this commit, just we are using a what? What is that command? Very good. Rollback is a command. Whenever we are using a what? Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Now check it out here. Yes, rollback means automatically again. Yes, 5 is changed into where? 1 only. Observe here. Rollback, I am typing, for example, some command is there in a database. Whenever we are using a rollback, again, this 5 is changed into where? 1. Why? Because undo, cancel the previous transaction. But what happened in a where? Whenever we are using a rollback command means, observe here, this old value is there, no? This old value is there, 1 only. This old value is automatically transferred into where? A new value place. This is called rollback. That's why rollback is nothing but undo the transaction from memory. Oh, maybe rollback means undo the transaction from memory. This one is transferred into where? Yes, transferred from old value into where? This new value place. That's why rollback is a command. Some command is there in a feature in a SQL language side. Rollback means what? Undo the transaction from memory or hard disk. Very good. Undo the transaction from memory. Very important. Diagrammatically, how much easy? Again, commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk only. And now here in a hard disk only. Now check it out. That is going on or not? Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now really that is correct or not? Don't write it. Just observe it here. Anybody check it out? Suppose here I am connected to the where client tool. Don't write it. Practical I am showing. And now in a future scenarios, just a client tool idea purpose only I am telling. Suppose here this is a test, is a table is there. Now check it out here. Something in a future you are inserting a what a data, something is there. And now here check it out. Okay, fine. Don't write it. Just observe it. Scenario, observe it here. Okay, fine. These all the things in a future you are familiar. Commit the transaction. Now here, this is a table is there. Now check it out. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now check it out. This is a test, is a table. Okay, fine. Yes, here, observe here. Now check it out. Now presently my table is available in a where? Available in a where? In a hard disk. Presently my table is available in a where? Hard disk. Observe here. So now check it out. Presently my table is available in a where? In a disk only. In a hard disk only. This table is available. And now check it out. Slowly observe here. Now I am opening a what? SQL plus tool. Slowly observe here. My table is available in a where? In a hard disk. Okay, fine. This remember, this is a database here, table. Here through the client tool, we are connected to the where? Server. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. This is a username, something, password, something is there. Later we are familiar. Now through this tool, I am connected to the where database. Now I am typing a what? Select a star from what the table is there? Test like this. Whenever test is a table, I am typing means how it will be executed. Anybody guess it? Already I am telling only which one. First control goes to where? Memory area. In this memory area, in a buffer only the table is available. Not available means hard disk only the table is available. Copy of the table is transferred into where? Memory. Yes, memory into where? Yes, this tool only it will be written or not? Yes, very good. Now check it out. Yes, this table is there or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm changing a what? This 1 into where 5. Observe here. This 1 into 5. In a future transaction. So today you don't have an idea. Not a problem. Just tool and server interaction means I'm telling only. Now I want to change 1 into 5 means in a future SQL language you have an idea. Update a table name. Not today. And now here is set. Here S number is equal to 5. Where S number is equal to 1 like this. Now this transaction is performed in a where? In a memory or hard disk? At least tell me. Guess it. Very good, in a memory only. Now you're in this memory table, select a star from table is there. Here 5 is there or not? Yes, 5 is there. And now here this is a what? Here in a memory only. Here only in a buffer is there. Here 5 is there, new value for the transaction, and 1 is there, old value for the transaction. Now I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 only. How can I undo the transaction from memory? Means we are using a what? Which command? Which command? Very good. Roll back is a command. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory. Now this 5 I want to change into where 1 only. How can I? Just we are using a what? Which one? Which one? Which one we are using? Very good. Roll back. Observe it here. Okay, don't write it. Just observe it here. Okay, some scenario. Roll back. Whenever we are using a roll back means undo the transaction from memory. This 5 is cancelled into where 1 or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Select a star from what is the table is there? Test only. Yes, observe it here. Okay, 1 is there or not? Oh, maybe cancel. But I don't want like this. Again, I want to change 1 into where 5. For example, date I want to change means again I'm using a what? Update table name test here set S number is equal to 5 where now S number is equal to 1. For example, okay, if I don't write it, these are scenarios. And now here in the future you are also familiar. Now check it out. Yes, select star from test only like this. Now here 5 is there or not? Yes, here again I'm changing. Whenever I'm changing this one, but unfortunately in my project requirement, this 5 is there in a where somewhere in a buffer, 1 is there in a where somewhere in a buffer only. And now check it out. Now this 5 I want to store permanently into hard disk. Then we are using a what? Which command? Which command? Very good. That 5 I want to store permanently into hard disk means then we are using a what? Commit is a command. Commit means save. Very good. Some fellows are guessing only commit. Commit means save. Now check it out. Here commit I am typing. Whenever I'm using a what? Commit is a command is there in a feature that is save only. Now that 5 is permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. Select a star from. This is a what? A test is a table. This 5 is there or not? Yes, here. Commit means save only 5 is there. Now I'm exit from the database, for example. Again, I'm opening a what? A database. And now here, check it out. Client tool through. We are connected to the very database. Okay. Now I'm typing a what? A select a star from what is the table? Test is a table. Now 5 is available or 1 is available in that example. Anybody guess it? 5 is available or 1 is available? 5 is available or 1 is available? Very good. 5 is available. Why? Because that 5 is I am permanently storing in a where in a hard disk or not? Yes, here in a hard disk only, in a data files only, this 5 is there because commit now. Yes, very good. Yes, here now check it out. Yes, here now I'm pressing enter. 5. Now anybody guess it only? Now you are guessing means great. Suppose here whenever we are using a what? This 5 is permanently stored in a hard disk. Okay. Now I try to use a rollback, working or not working. Whenever I'm using a what? A rollback means yes, here now 5 is there or 1 is there. Only one thing is correct. Anybody? This one anybody telling me is really great. Diagrammatically your imagination. Very good, very good. So many fellows are yes telling a correct answer. And now here, yes, here 5 only correct answer. Very good. Why means suppose any non-technical person, newcomer, slowly observe it here. Whenever this is a buffer is there, no. And now here slowly observe it here. This is interesting. This is a 5 is there. Okay, fine. This is a 1 is there. Okay, in a previous case. And now here, whenever we are using a what? Yes, commit. What happened? This 5 is stored in a where? In a hard disk. Whenever 5 is stored in a hard disk, then automatically this 5 is gone in a memory. This 1 also gone. Okay, fine. Then we are using a what? A rollback means this also there is no data in this buffer. This buffer also there is no data. Rollback means no use here. But 5 is available in a hard disk or not? Yes, very good. That's why rollback we are using also. Once we are committed, again, yes, 5 is available. And now here, check it out. Select star from here, test only. 5 is available or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Very good. Yes, so many fellows are guessing only. That's why. And now here, check it out. These all the transaction not required, but unfortunately, oh, maybe through the client tool, we are connecting to the where server possible or not? Yes, here. We are performing some operations possible or not? Yes, here. Now, understood? Yes, here. That's why always, Yes, here, whenever we are connect to the where, now here, yes, whenever we are, okay, so performing these type of so many operations, compulsory, we are first connect to the where, database by using a what? By using a what? Tools only. One of the default tool is what? SQL plus tool. Through this tool, yes, what is the username, what is the password, which editions are there, express edition, enterprise edition, which user is there, Scott and Tiger, by extra users. Again, that loading the what, installation of the where Oracle software, those all the things in the next class I will tell you. Okay, because some fellows are having another class, right? Now here, yes, up to this one understood. At least the tool is understood and the database understood. Hello. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you in this tool only. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Those scenarios, don't worry. Just idea purpose. Oh, connection. Okay. Something. Installation also I will tell you next classes. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Fine. Up to this one understood. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remind. Okay. Na? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Just a small idea. Anybody not understandable also, don't worry. Because why? Because in the future you are only telling to me only. Oh, Murli sir, this is the way. This one. Simple. Don't worry. Just roughly some idea. Okay, na? Thank you. Thank you so much. Tomorrow I will tell you. Remind. Tomorrow also classes. Tomorrow will continue. Yes, every class I am giving a notes. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Yes. Thank you so much. Tomorrow will continue because another classes are there. No, you are also. Yeah. GUI tools means in the future you are understandable. Okay. Whenever you are installing a SQL developer or in a tool means through graphical user interfaces, half of the codings are there. Debugging is different. Now here you are understandable. Connection is different like that. But some idea. First SQL plus tool through some idea means GUI also, but nothing is there. Okay, na? Yes. Yeah. Tomorrow I will come. Okay. Don't worry. All the things are.